Hello my friends, my name is Dan Junior FX for those who are watching me for the first time, and today I'm teaching you about 3 entry model in smart money concept, and also I'll talk about top down approach in smart money concept, that is higher time frame to entry. I'll start from daily bias, 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 15 minutes for entry confirmation. Please also remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, watch this video up to the end and enjoy my video. My friends, let me tell you one thing, okay? When I started trading, I made a lot of mistakes. I did not know about liquidity or inducement, okay? I used to enter too early, okay, chasing candles without waiting for confirmations, and then many times I was buying inside supply zone or selling inside demand zone, okay? And of course the market punished me, okay? With the time I learned that smart money does not move randomly, okay? The market always look for liquidity first, and then it creates inducement to trap impatient traders like me at that time, okay? Once I understood this, my trading changed completely, okay? As you can see here guys, this was me when I was starting trading, guys. I think I deposited 114. I don't know why it not appeared here. And then my broker, which was FX Pesa I was using at that time, they credited me $34. Guess what? Within that day I lost 38. I think I blew this account within 1 day, guys, okay? But guess what? Guess right now, guys, this was me September date 5 2025, okay? This was during MFP news. I think I trade live on YouTube at that time. I won 8.9k. This was GU and gold. I won 8.9k. So I want you to watch this video up to the end. I will explain to you everything about a smart money concept, okay, from daily bias to entry time frame, okay? So watch this video up to the end. My friends, this was me when I was starting trading, okay? So as you can see, price break equal high and again break equal high and again break equal high, okay? So this was my zone. I marked this zone well, as you can see, and then I waited institutional to push this price down, okay? After price touch my box, I entered a buyer. I placed my stop loss below this zone, okay? And again price moved down, grab more liquidity here, and then later strongly move up, okay? Okay, let's look again here. As you can see here guys, I don't want you to make the mistake I make when I was starting, okay? Nice one. So as you can see here, overall this price is moving upward, so this is just a pullback, okay? So price pull back to this zone, and then someone will think this is just a demand zone, okay? And then this person will think this is where institutional will sweep liquidity down there, okay? Let me explain to you a little briefly about liquidity for those who don't understand, okay? Liquidity is just a fuel to the market, or liquidity is money, okay? It is the stop losses of the traders sitting above equal high or below equal low, okay? Smart money first takes this liquidity before moving the real direction, okay? Let's say example, price form equal high, everyone puts stop losses above, okay? And then smart money pushes price above those high, grab the stop and then drop strongly, okay? As you can see this example, the market push this price down and grab more liquidity below this equal low, and later it move up, okay? So as you can see here, someone will think this high, this higher low, this is the place where institutional will grab liquidity, okay? Without knowing that this box is just a trap, okay? This is called inducement, okay? Let's say you entered a buy from here, then a little bit you'll be happy because you'll be in profit, okay? You will think about a Lamborghini, you'll think about a soft life, a good life, but later institutional will push this price and then grab this person stop losses, okay? And then you start crying, oh my god, what's wrong with me? Without knowing that this is just a trap. This is called inducement, okay? So let me explain to you a little bit about inducement, okay? Inducement, as I said, is just a trap, okay? Price creates a small fake zone, as you can see, okay, and pull back to make traders enter early. After they enter, price goes against them to stop them out, okay, and then continues in the true direction, okay? Let's say for example, a small fake demand zone forms above the real demand, okay? Traders buy at the fake one, price break through it and then trap the real demand below and then goes up later, okay? So you need to be patient. This is just a trap. This first zone is just a trap. Institutional are just trapping you, okay? So you just be patient, wait institutional to grab liquidity below this equal low, and again don't rush to enter to the market. Just be patient, wait institutional price to break this lower high. After price break this lower high, just mark your zone below here, wait institutional again to push this price down here, and then enter your entry from there, and then even target the new equal high. That's how I myself I trade. That's why most of the time I'm profitable. Okay, although sometimes I lose, I make sure that I lose less and I make more money than losing. So guys, as you can see, this is the GJ. Step number one is start with the daily bias. Okay, let's start with the daily bias. As you can see, overall the price is moving upward, okay, on daily bias. So next, what you need to do, you need to shift to a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so let me shift to 4 hours time frame and let's see what is happening. And then still on 4 hours time frame, I will mark my pole, okay, point of interest. Okay, so together let's mark our point of interest, guys. Okay, as you can see down here, there's a demand zone. Okay, so price move down to this demand zone, and also this area where price grab liquidity before it move up. As I can see, this is where the price grab liquidity. Can you see, guys? It's very easy. Okay, so this is where the price grab more liquidity before it move up. Okay, and again after that, let's shift to 1 hour time frame. Okay, step number 3, let's shift to 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this was our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so and again above here, let's mark our point of interest, let's mark our supply zone. Okay, so this will be my supply zone above here. Okay, that will be my supply zone. And again before that, as you can see, this price break equal high. Okay, it's break equal high here. This was a lower high, I'm sorry, this was lower high, break the last lower high, which shows us the price will continue moving upward. Okay, so there's a break of structure, and again there's another break of structure above here. I can see, can you see, guys? And again I can see there's a demand zone. Okay, let me zoom for you. There's a demand zone somewhere here, and price has already respected this demand zone. As you can see, I wish we entered early from above this zone. Okay, but this is just example I'm showing you. Okay, and again someone will think that these are zone. Of course, yeah, these are demand zone because price has already respected the first demand zone. As you can see, okay, price has already respected this demand zone. It's move up. Can you see, guys? Move up and then pull back to this zone, and again move up and again pull back to this zone. Okay, so this area where you should enter your entry. Okay, you should buy from somewhere there, place your stop loss below this zone, and again target supply zone. Okay, yeah, as you can see, price is moving upward. Okay, so our expectation is that we're expecting institutional at least to push this price above there. It's very easy when you understand smart money concept. Step number 4, let's use 50 minutes for entry confirmation. Okay, as you can see here, my friends, price has already break this lower high. Okay, which shows us very soon it will move to even. And again you need to mark supply demand zone. Okay, you need to mark demand zone. Okay, so this will be our demand zone here, and then after marking your demand zone, I want to see where price will grab liquidity. So in this case, I'm waiting institutional to grab liquidity below this equal low. So this will be my equal low. This is where I'm waiting institutional to grab liquidity below that equal low. Okay, and then you wait institutional to push this price to grab more liquidity here, and then you enter your buy from above this zone, then you target the next equal high. So when price will reach down here, we will enter our buy. Okay, and then we'll place our TP above this new equal high, and then we'll place a stop loss below here. It's easy as that when you understand smart money concept. Remember, higher time frame give us the market direction, when the lower time frame give us the entry, sniper entry. My friends, let me tell you one thing. Okay, when I was starting, I made many mistakes because I did not understand how smart money really works. Okay, I did not know about inducement or liquidity. Okay, and I used to enter too early, but now I have learned, and here is my advice for you. Okay, number 1, be patient. Don't rush into the first candle or zone you see. Okay, always wait for the market to take liquidity and show confirmation. Okay, and then number 2, respect liquidity. Understand that liquidity is the money to the market. Understand that liquidity is the fuel to the market. The market will always hunt stop losses before moving Okay, then don't place your trades where everyone else is placing theirs. Okay, and also remember to watch inducement. The first zone is not always the real zone. Many times the market creates a trap. Learn to identify inducement so you don't fall for it. Okay, and also follow the higher time frame. Remember what I told you, my friends. Okay, higher time frame give us the market direction, when the lower time frame give us the sniper entry. Okay, and also focus on risk management. Even the best setup can fail, my friends. Okay, protect your capital with tight stop losses and proper lot size. Okay, and also remember, stay disciplined. Smart money concept is powerful, but only if you apply with discipline and patience. Don't trade emotion, trade the plan. Okay, remember also to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for listening to me. And also remember, my friends, the market is designed to take money from the impatient and give it to the patient. Okay, these things is very easy. Take your time, follow all my advice, and next time if you follow all what I gave to you, I'm sure 100% you'll be in a good way. Bye bye. Right now is 2:23 a.m. I want to sleep.